Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all messages in Discord. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Discord app. Now tap on chat icon on top left corner. After that you will see this kind of interface. So select the chat with your friend and tap on the name of your friend. Now tap on three dot. So here you can see that there is no option to delete all the messages. Now go back, and here, now again go back. Now hold on for a second to your friend chat name. Now here you can see close DM option. You can simply tap on it. So here you can see that it is deleted for now, but it is not deleted permanently. When you go to the source file and search for that name, once you open up it will show you the same message. So there is no way to delete all messages. You need to delete individually. So I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.